Hey, this is Forrest from blogbolts.com, and today we have a quick tip video for you that's simply showing you how you can use some of the awesome sound effects from iMovie in other applications. Now, from within iMovie, you'll see that there's a sound effect area in the content library. Just wait for it to load. And it's full of really good royalty-free sound effects that you can use on any of your projects. Now, I wanted to use one of these in an After Effects project, and if you try to open it into After Effects, you can't find them anywhere. And that's because they're hidden behind the iMovie package. So there's a way that you can create a folder to be able to access them from any application. So first, go to your Applications folder and find iMovie. And then if you Control-click and show the package contents, go to the Resources folder, which is here. And then from within there you'll find, just scroll down. Aha, there we go. iMovie's sound effects. Now, all you need to do now is drag that folder to the desktop or anywhere else, and it creates an alias. So if we close that, now if you double click the alias here, it will open the folder, even though it's hidden in the iMovie package. So now, if you want to use any of those sound effects, we have an alias on the desktop that you can use to access them from any other application. So just to show you, let's go to Adobe Aftereffects, and I'll double click here to import. And you'll see on the desktop there's an iMovie sound effects alias folder. Now from within there, I've got access to all of the sound effects. So let's bring in alarm. And there it is inside of our enough of that. Okay, so that's the end of the quick tip. As you can see, it's quite straightforward, but something that's not that intuitive to work out. If you found this video useful, please click the like button below the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also come and visit us at blogbolts.com. Thank you very much.